Hello Internet, Zach here, and welcome back to Make Things, the series where I make things. And in this episode, I'm going to be making this little flower pot light fixture for this little flower-shaped light bulb that I got at Sunland. The first step is going to be putting a hole in the flower pot for the cord to go through. So I have a diamond burr bit on my Dremel, and I'm going to just grind a hole in here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is widen out this bottom hole so that this little piece of metal here can slide in and fit flushly. Not quite there yet. We go. Next, I'm going to hot glue this metal piece in so I can attach the light socket. Make sure that it's mostly centered and peel the glue off of the threads. And a little extra glue on the back just to keep it nice and secure. And smooth it out so the glue doesn't stick up too high. Okay, next thing is to give it some power. So I'm going to feed the end of this power cord into the hole that I made with the diamond burr. Gently. And taking note of polarity, this is a polarized plug. One end's wider than the other. The wider end is the neutral wire. And on the cord here, the neutral side has ridges and the hot side is smooth. That's connected, and I realized that I goofed and I hot glued this center post in too early, so I'm gonna have to try to undo that. So what I ended up doing was heating it up with a lighter until the glue melted. So now I can put this back in and spin it freely, which is necessary for securing the light socket. I can also drop it on the floor. So first is to pull the cord back through, gather this thing up off the floor, and once I get this lined up, there it goes, I can screw the center post into the socket, and then I can glue this back together. Fresh hot glue. Try to get the socket nice and centered. Just Hold it there until the glue cools down. So I've been staring at this lamp for about 2 weeks now, and I keep thinking something's missing. Something is totally missing from this. And today, I think I finally figured out what that something is. So let's fix it. I think that's better. It just needed some little pebbles. Now it looks a little more plant-like. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you know someone else who might enjoy this project, hit share. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. See you next time.